Hey everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope that you are enjoying these videos that we've been doing for you guys. Um, we've kind of jumped from industry to industry, and the last video we kind of gave you a history lesson of OCV for the fire division, and we talked about filter separators and releasing water from fuel. And if you guys haven't had a chance to check those out, I strongly recommend them. They're extremely fascinating, even for me. So if you guys would go back and look at those if you haven't already. But today I wanted to kind of piggyback off the first video that I did, and we talked about control circuit logic. And the next step of control circuit logic is understanding how to exercise a control valve. So today we'll kind of go over that real briefly on how to manually exercise a valve. Okay. So if we take a look at these slides here, you can kind of see forcing a valve open, forcing a valve closed, and holding a position. Now, just a couple things to keep in mind. You will need to have isolation ball valves on these in order to do this. That is a standard for all OCV valves when they leave here in the Waterworks side. We do send those out with isolation ball valves both on the inlet and the outlet side. This exercise really is also geared towards valves that might sit stagnant for a while, such as relief valves, surge anticipation valves, things like this. But you can also do this as a general rule of thumb for maintenance if you just want to check the flexibility of your diaphragm and make sure that everything is maintaining proper function. So to force a valve open, you'll simply just close off your supply ball valve or your inlet side, open your downstream ball valve, and what happens here is the fluid coming on the inlet side will push on the bottom of the seat, forcing the fluid out of the upper chamber down to your discharge side, allowing the valve to go open. Now, to force the valve closed, it's just the opposite of that. You'll close your downstream ball valve, open up your supply ball valve, and when your fluid comes in on the inlet side, it'll go through the supply line into the chamber, and since your discharge ball valve is isolated or closed off, there's nowhere for the fluid to go, therefore it stays in the upper chamber, forcing the valve closed. Okay, and then holding a position is easy as isolating both ball valves. You'll do this whenever you have a valve partially open or partially closed. You'll just do this to check and make sure that the valve is holding position. Okay, just keep in mind we do this for a couple reasons, but the first is to make sure that your diaphragm is remaining flexible and it's staying in good shape. The second is in our water, sometimes we'll get calcium deposits, just mineral buildup on the stem. So if these valves that sit there and they're only used to maybe just relieve pressure, we'll use that in order to keep that stem clean and clear and make sure that it functions properly every single time. So I know that was quick and brief, and there's probably a ton of other questions about this. But I just wanted to kind of open your eyes to another segment of control circuit logic, maintaining our valves, exercising control valves. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys would like our page, follow us, share us, comment below, let us know what other videos that you guys want to see, what you're interested in. We'll do our best to create some more content, but just give us a like. Let us know that you guys are enjoying this. And as always, you guys be safe, be well, and again, we'll see you guys in the next video.